Super lightweight lang niya. For morena skin like me, I highly recommend Happy Skins Hype Shade Lip and Cheek Kiss and Bloom. Actually, alam nyo, lightweight lang siya. Super lightweight lang niya. Kaya favorite ko itong ginagamit eh. Paubos na nga. Nakita mo ba? I highly recommend this shade for morena girls like me. Hype ng Happy Skin. Ganda, diba? And what I use as my powder, this one yung shade to. Soft beige ako dito sa. I love using